Welcome back. Tolgay Uzbek's hat-trick powered Dempo Sports Club to 4-1 victory over Sporting Clube de Goa in the Hero Federation Cup at Fatorda on Thursday. Dempo have won both their group matches so far and look all set to enter the semi-finals. Sporting Club, however, may find it very hard to advance to the knockout stages after losing their second consecutive match.
Well, that is Harun Fakhruddin Amiri, Lenny Rodriguez, Wilson Rodriguez. That is Biswajit Saha in front of your screen. Played so well for Atletico de Kolkata in the recently concluded Hero Indian Super League. If they lose this encounter, they'll be almost out of the tournament. Clifford Miranda on the attack. That is a very good run from the left wing. It's Clifford Miranda, but didn't find the net. But this time he was absolutely clinical on the time.
Obviously, that was a good ball by Mandar Rao Desai, and Tolgay, he did it very well.
Australian striker has put Dempo up, and Arthur Papas might be very much happy with the way he scored the goal.
So, Alvito.
Yeah, I think first of all, it was a very good ball by Francis Fernandes, which maybe allowed the defender to make a fall on Francis Fernandes. I mean, Tolgay Uzbek can make it 2-0 for Dempo Sports Club.
Arthur Papas. Can Tolgay double the lead for them? And that is the second goal.
That bad push from Joyner Lorenzo, but I think Tolgay was too easy to go down.
Goes Tolgay, and that is his hat-trick. As cool as cucumber, placed that ball just on the opposite side.
Bivin De Mello with his favourite left foot. Can he curl it over? Oh, and yes, they finally got some reward for their persistence with the magical left foot.
Pass, but somehow Dempo recovered. That is a brilliant ball. Whether he can score or not, that is the fourth goal of the match. A cool finish. A superb one in the end by Romeo Fernandes.
Indian national football team is still without a head coach as uncertainty surrounds the candidature of Stephen Constantine. Constantine has been linked with a return to the coaching job with the Indian national football team. The All India Football Association's technical committee had recently shortlisted Constantine and Ricky Herbert for the job, but there has been no progress since. Meanwhile, African media is claiming that Constantine will continue as coach of Rwanda.
It seemed that Constantine was set to return as the coach of Indian national football team when a section of Indian media recently published stories about how close the London-born coach was to sign a contract with the AIFF. Constantine had coached India between 2002 to 2005. The 52-year-old is now the coach of African country Rwanda, who are ranked much higher than India in the FIFA rankings. While he was confirmed by the AIFF technical committee as one of the shortlisted coaches for the India job, Constantine is said to face opposition for the job from some members of the AIFF itself. Moreover, African media has published a story claiming that the Rwandan Federation are firm on keeping Constantine till he sees off his 2-year contract. On the other hand, New Zealander Ricky Herbert is reportedly still awaiting a call-up for discussion with the AIFF top brass over his candidature for the India job. The 53-year-old coached Northeast United FC at the first Indian Super League recently. Herbert has great World Cup experience, having played in the top football competition in 1982 and then coached New Zealand at the 2010 FIFA World Cup. With India taking a nosedive to their worst ever ranking of 171st among 209 FIFA nations, the AIFF must take the affairs of the national team a little more seriously. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.